Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to review the previous Camon 20 Pro and the Infinix Note 30 Pro. Please be with me and watch the video till the end. But before we go to that, both of them came with the same processor. The Camon 20 Pro came with Helio G99 processor and the Infinix Note 30 Pro also came with Helio G99 processor. I'm going to compare the two phones together. Both of them has 5000 mAh battery capacity. But before we go to that, both of them also runs on Android 13 on the bus. And another thing that I witnessed is that the Camon 20 Pro does not come with wireless charger, where the Note 30 Pro came with wireless charger in the bus. What about the price? We will still find out in this video. Now we go. Let's watch the video.
Do you know that in terms of price, the difference between the Infinix Note 30 Pro and the Tecno Camon 20 Pro 4G is just about 20,000 naira? Before I start, my name is Caramello. Now, how did I arrive at the 20k difference between these two phones? That is because the 8GB RAM variant and 256GB of internal storage that came with the Infinix Note 30 Pro goes around 176,000 naira, while the 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage that came with Tecno Camon 20 Pro goes around 155,000 naira. So when you subtract the two, you get about 20,000 naira. And as for the processor, both phones was powered by the same processor, which is the MediaTek Helio G99 processor. By extension, that means that the performance will remain the same. They both have the same speed, the same side-mounted fingerprint, and the same stereo speakers. Comparing the Camon 20 Pro and the Infinix Note 30 Pro side by side, moving to the bottom, both of them have Type-C charging port, the same ear port, network cable, and the speakers. Moving to the left hand side, you will see the SIM card ejector. When it comes to display, they both have 6.67 AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, a 1080p resolution, and 900 nits peak brightness. Also, the Infinix Note 30 comes with 15 watts wireless charging pad that can conveniently charge the phone. It also supports reverse charging. None of these features are available in Camon 20 Pro. Finally, their camera quality. Camon 20 has a 64 megapixel main camera and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. The Note 30 Pro has even better camera, a 108 megapixel main camera and a 32 megapixel selfie camera.
I prefer the Infinix Note 30 Pro because of what? It's because of the wireless charger that came with this phone. I love how Infinix made their phone this year. Even the Note 30 VIP also came with wireless charger in the box, and the Note 30 Pro also came with wireless charger in the box. Tecno haven't provided wireless charger and giving Infinix 90% mark.
The next difference is their charging ability. Right in their packaging box, the Tecno Camon 20 Pro comes with 33 watt wireless charger, while the Infinix Note 30 Pro comes with 68 crazy watt fast charger. This 68 watts fast charger is twice when comparing it with 33 watts fast charger that came with Tecno Camon 20 Pro. Another similarities of both devices is that both devices has IP53 dust and water splash resistance. That means that water cannot harm any of those devices. Another thing is that the both has the same battery capacity, a 5000 mAh battery. Since they has the same Helio G99 processor, the battery drainage should always be the same. Another similarities is their SIM models. It can accommodate 2 nano SIM card and memory card simultaneously. Another thing I witnessed is that both devices came with AMOLED display. While there might be slight differences such as the display size, display brightness, screen to body ratio, both displays are still in the same range. Moving to the camera quality, the Tecno Camon 20 Pro comes with 64 megapixel main camera, while the Infinix Note 30 Pro comes with 108 megapixel main camera. I might say the 108 megapixel main camera that came with the Infinix Note 30 Pro take beautiful pictures more than the 64 megapixel main camera that came with Tecno Camon 20 Pro. Coming to my conclusion, should I go for Infinix Note 30 Pro or should I go for Tecno Camon 20 Pro? For me, I prefer the Infinix Note 30 Pro because of the wireless charger in the box. Honestly, it's a no-brainer. The Infinix Note 30 Pro 4G is definitely a better option for you to go for, even if you're gonna pay extra that 20k more. So this is my review of the Tecno Camon 20 Pro and the Infinix Note 30 Pro. So thank you for watching this video. Do consider by subscribing to my channel so that you will be updated whenever I post a video like this. And if you understand the effort we do when making this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I did a comparison video like this.
So this is my review of Tecno Camon 20 Pro and Infinix Note 30 Pro. So tell me what you understand on the comment section below. Please, if you have a question, you can ask on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Please, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and also turn the notification bell.